Let me give a special shout out, a special thank you to Mr. Wright. Mr. Wright and the Yellow Jackets Little League are synonymous. This is a guy, along with some of his buddies, who have watched over this Little League for decades. They've seen the young people grow, they've seen the young people play, they competed, they were teachers for them, they were adults for them when they needed them, they were men with a mission, and that mission was to look out for the young people who played for them in this Little League. This Little League has a long and glorious history. This Little League has produced some pretty amazing athletes and some pretty amazing seasons. And that is all a tribute to the moms and the dads and the leaders like Mr. Wright, who have helped to guide this Little League to its next chapter where we find ourselves now.
I do want to make sure everyone knows the impact that the Rays have made with this project. The few things that they've done here is they've added 10 hitting stations, 2 bullpens, foul ball netting, batting cage, equipment storage, portable pitching mound that you see behind us that we're going to be using a little later, wind screens that you see, and then baseball and softball equipment to the tune of over $40,000. So we really do appreciate that partnership and that commitment for the Rays. So thank you very much.
1, 2, 3.
All right, everyone.